Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here and welcome back to episode 6 of my Python 3 series. So in this episode we're going to be going over for loops. So basically what a for loop does is it will run a section of code a number of times that you tell it. So if you tell a for loop to run a section of code 10 times, then it will run a section of code 10 times. And if you tell a for loop to run a section of code 5 times, then it will run a section of code 5 times. So to create a for loop you just need to type for and then space. And then you can technically use whatever letter you want, but it is recommended that you use the letter I. That's just general programming practice for a for loop. And then once you've done that, you want to press space, and then you want to type in space range, then open bracket, and then a close bracket, and then you want to end the for loop with a colon. Now, inside the brackets is where you type the number of times that you want the for loop to run. So we're going to make our for loop run 10 times, so we're just going to type 10. And now we've done that, we can now come to the end and we can press enter to go down a line, and as you can see the cursor is indented one. Just like with the for loops and the if loops, the code that you want to run in the for loop needs to be indented one from the start of the for loop. So now we're going to type out the code that we want to run, so we're just going to type print, and we will just print test. So now if we save the code and we run it, as you can see, it prints test 10 times. So then if we change the number in the for loop from 10 to say 5, if we save the code and we run it, as you can see, it now only prints test 5 times. So guys, that's going to be the end of the video. There's not really much else to explain about for loops. They're pretty simple, and as long as you get the syntax right, then they're fairly easy to use. So if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.